For me, the most important thing and probably the hardest thing about the game of cricket, I think, is as a batter. Generally, when I'm walking out to bat, I have a routine of, first thing I do is look to the sun.
They might lose this game. Oh, that's a great shot. That is good. A little punch. Nothing more than that. No flourish, just clinical.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, that is a beautiful sound. And up into the hill it goes. J.O. Wardner.
Oh, he's knocked him over. What a start. Oh, this is some celebration by the Night Riders.
Oh, here we go. Gale's having a piece. Is it big enough for a six? It is. So 6 to finish the over. It's 38 without long.
Straighter, gone to the moon and back, and got him! Nawaz takes a salute and celebrates with his teammates.
What a shot that is. What an extraordinary shot. What a shot that is.
Shah then went into blast mode, launching Rayner over the ropes for 6. It was simply the start of the carnage towards the back end of the innings. And then Shah made room for himself and crashed the young seamer through the covers to the fence. At this stage, Hampshire were nearing 150 with 4 overs to go.